What if you could edit a viral video from scratch with zero editing experience? No timelines, just talking it into existence. Today we're testing Bumblebee, a conversational AI editor that just got a massive 3 times speed upgrade, which means zero thinking lag, parallel processing, and even custom automated skills. So is using this considered cheating? Let's drop in a folder of raw footage and we're gonna build a reel that's gonna go viral in under 10 minutes, and then you can decide for yourself. Now, I put a link for this down in the description below so you can follow along. So let's open up Async and click Edit Video with AI. So first up, I'm just going to upload all of my raw footage from my 24 hours living with monks up in a monastery in the mountains of Japan. Now, I want this to be kind of like a vlog style reel, and I want to showcase all of the clips and highlight it POV living with monks for 24 hours. Now, while these clips upload, Async isn't just storing my files, it's actually analyzing them. So it listens to my audio to listen for things like commentary or tempo bells, and then it's going to watch the video to understand the exact vibe of it. Now watch this. If you have your strategy sorted beforehand, you can flip that toggle over to act mode and you'll just get direct generations. All you have to do is paste in your prompt and send it off. But if you don't really know where to begin, then we want to start broad and strategic before we get too tactical. So to do that, I'm going to switch the chat into ask mode. So this is built specifically for planning and discussion. And if you need help finding the words to describe what you want, you can hash out your ideas with the AI here, like asking it to map out a narrative arc from morning meditation to evening rituals. And it's going to do that without triggering random video edits before you're ready. Now, you can even select which Claude model that you would like to use for this, but to be completely honest with you, I do tend to leave it on auto and just let the AI decide for me. For now, all I want is a rough cut of my A-roll, so I wanted to remove silences, filler words, awkward pauses, that kind of thing. Now let's hit send and see what the AI comes back with. So you'll see, instead of the AI just going and surprising me with a random edit, it uses plan blocks. So it literally maps out my entire video structure plan in front of me, and it's going to show me what it's about to do before it acts. And then if I want, I can make any changes just by typing them into the chat, or if I'm happy with the AI's proposal, all I'll do is hit confirm. While the AI generates draft 1, let's talk strategy. Right now, the Instagram algorithm is shifting. So if you've noticed your views are behaving like a roller coaster lately, it is because Instagram's head Adam Mosseri dropped a massive update. Likes are now just a vanity metric. Instead, the 2026 algorithm is prioritizing 2 things above everything else. That's watch time and sends per reach, meaning DM shares. Now, on top of that, we also have trial reels. Instagram is now secretly testing your videos on a small group of non-followers to check your 3-second hold rate. So if your watch time is high, they're going to open up the floodgates, but if it's low, the video is going to die early. This is exactly why editing manually just takes so long now. You really just can't slap a nice song over some cool footage anymore. You actually have to engineer your pacing for the algorithm. Which brings us right back to Async, so let's take a look at draft 1.
I'm living with monks, I'm eating like monks, I'm meditating like monks, and part of that agreement means resigning my phone for the next 24 hours. Bye-bye. I was not expecting an electric massage chair in the temple.
Now that reel is a good start, but let's face it, it's not going to go viral. We do have to make some tweaks here. Now, as I've mentioned, the hook is crucial to your video's performance, so let's start there. Now, I want the chat to flash 0.3 seconds on screen of what's coming up in the video for the first 2 seconds. That's just so the visual is constantly changing. And then I want it to remove the audio from those first 2 seconds, and then at 2 to 4 seconds, I want a clip of me with text on screen. I spent 24 hours living with Japanese monks. And I want the background music to be a high intensity classical track, and at 3 seconds it's going to stop, and then we get a suspense riser for the sound effect. That's my idea, that's our hook. Right, I'm going to send that prompt off, check the plan blocks, and then I can tweak or confirm. And then one of the biggest reasons that this workflow actually feels so seamless right now is because it is 3 times faster. You'll notice that the second I type, the AI replies. All right, now let's watch our hook back.
I was not expecting an electric massage chair in the temple.
much better. Now I'm just going to tweak things like the font. I can even add in subtitles, and maybe I'll throw in some background music. All I have to do is tell the chat what it is I want, and it's literally as easy as that. You can even get the chat to do 3D text so it looks like the title is behind your head. Now, after all of those tweaks, let's export it and see the final outcome.
I was not expecting an electric massage chair in the temple. I'm living with monks, I'm eating like monks, I'm meditating like monks, and part of that agreement means resigning my phone for the next 24 hours. Bye-bye. See you in 24 hours. This whole video is going to be like ASMR. Inside the temple, they have an onsen. Onsen is basically hot spring water filled in a bath, and it's a huge thing in Japanese culture. It's their way of unwinding, de-stressing, and relaxing after a hard day's work. So even the monks enjoy this. Your girl is hungry. Now, part of being a monk for the next 24 hours does mean that I do have to be vegetarian. Okay, so I went for a green vegetarian curry with some side salad, and I'm waiting on a yuzu soda. No, it's not spicy at all, but it's very nice. It's kind of like really, really mild Thai green curry. But very tasty. I'm very hungry, so let's tuck in. Just to let you know, there are inari gates like this all over Japan. Like right now, we're in one in Koyasan, and as you can see, I have it entirely to myself. Am I a new woman? Could I be a vegetarian monk? Who's to say?
I think for one tool in less than 5 minutes, that is a fantastic reel. And you'll notice I barely touched the timeline. So if you would like to cut your editing time by 90%, I'm going to leave a link to Async down below. Go check it out, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.